Question 1, November 2017, grade 10, paper 1, and we'll start with 1.1.1, where they ask us to find the value of Q for given values of A, B, and C. You might recognize this square root of b squared minus 4ac as part of the quadratic formula, but you don't have to know that for this problem. We're going to substitute in our values for B and A and C using parentheses to be sure we don't make any mistakes in our simplifying. Then we'll use our order of operations and do exponents first. Negative 1 squared is 1. And then we will do our multiplication before we do the subtraction. So this will be 1 minus a negative 32, which is 1 plus 32, and then we get the square root of 33. Now the directions said to put this in simplest surd form, so we might want to check to see if we can simplify. And we look at the factors of 33, 11, and 3. Neither one of those is a perfect square, so that will be our final answer. And the next question is Q rational or irrational? It is irrational. And one quick way to tell that is that there remains a surd in the answer. The definition of irrational that I know is that it's a number that can be written as a fraction of a ratio of two integers, and this one certainly can't, so that is irrational. And between what two consecutive integers, it's important to know what those terms mean. Consecutive is one right after another, and integers are numbers like negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's helpful to know squares. So if I wrote the squares for each of these, that means negative 3 times itself is 9, negative 2 times itself is 4, and so on. We discover that 33 is between 25 and 36. The square root of 25 is 5. The square root of 36 is 6. So the square root of 33, while we don't know what the value is, we know it is going to be between those two consecutive integers, 5 and 6.